In this video, we're going to explore Glorify, a design tool that helps you create stunning visuals for your projects, whether it's for social media, ads, or product displays. But here's the thing, Glorify has a few hidden gems you might not notice at first glance, and I'll reveal them as we go along. I'll walk you through the main features you see on the dashboard, explain what each section does, and give you a quick look at the plans Glorify offers. So stick around because one of these features could save you hours of work. When you first open Glorify, you'll land on the My Files section. This is your workspace where you'll see all your designs, but here's a question. What if you could skip the blank page and get a ready-to-use design in seconds? That's where suggested templates come in. You'll find options like the hero image. This is great for big visuals. Mock-up scene, perfect for product displays. Display ad pack, made for ad campaigns. Social media pack, which includes layouts for different platforms. Amazon storefront banners for your Amazon shop, and logo for branding your business. Next to suggested templates, there's custom sizes where you can set your own dimensions, ideal if you're working on something that needs that exact pixel perfect fit. And below that, you'll see 3 tabs. All files, which shows every design that you've made. Personal files, which are only visible to you, and share with you, where you can find files from collaborators. I'll show you in a moment how shared with you can speed up your teamwork like crazy. And right in the center, there's the Create Design button. Click it and you can start from scratch. But I'll also share later why starting with a template might be a better move. The next section is My Uploads. This is where you uploaded your media lives. Here's something you might not know. Glorify doesn't just handle images. At the top, there are filters for all uploads, images, videos, and audios. Audio is marked as beta right now. You can sort this by the newest or oldest. And uploading, just tap on Get Started to upload, but hang on, because in a second I'll tell you how these uploads can become reusable assets across multiple designs. And moving on to the Templates tab, this is one of the most fun areas to explore. So in here, Glorify offers pre-made templates for almost any design that you need. You'll see templates for product galleries, hero images, mock-up scenes, and more. But the real power here is in how you can browse by category, niche, and theme. That means you're not just picking a template, you're picking a style that fits your brand instantly. So in a moment, I'll share a quick tip to make your template look completely custom in under a minute. Then there's the template market. So think of this as a big mall Glorify templates. If the main template section is the storefront, the market is the full shopping center. But here's the kicker. You'll find designs here that you won't see in the regular library. The tutorials tab is your learning hub. And here's where beginners turn into pros very fast. If you ever thought I'm not a designer, these tutorials might change your mind. I'll show you my favorite one before we wrap up. And on the left side, you'll also see Add Project. This is where you can create and organize work into different projects. This is perfect if you're managing multiple brands or campaigns. And later, I'll give you a neat organizing trick that makes finding old projects very painless. Now let's quickly talk about the plans based on what's shown here. And stick with me because there's one pricing detail that you might miss if you skim this page. The basic plan is for one user, one project, and includes 50 AI credits per month, unlimited files and guests, 10 gigabytes of cloud storage, and a commercial license. The Pro plan steps it up with 3 users, 3 projects, 100 AI credits per month, unlimited files and guests, 50 gigabytes of storage, and a commercial license. And lastly, the business plan. This is for teams 6 users, unlimited projects, unlimited AI credits, unlimited files and guests, and 1000 gigabytes of storage and a commercial license. Each plan is billed monthly with discounts if you pay annually, and yes, there's an extra 10% off if you act before your trial ends. And that's a quick tour of Glorify. But honestly, this is just scratching the surface. These are creative tricks and time-saving features that we didn't even touch on today. From managing your files and uploads, to exploring ready-made templates and organizing your projects, everything is built to make design easy and efficient. If you find this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.